Hello and welcome to On the Workbench. Here's a quick tip on removing the lower ball joints from a Chevy Trailblazer, Buick Rainer, Oldsmobile Bravada, Saab 97X. Take a look at this. See how this is the original one here. It has this, it's kind of like a pie plate. So I'm going to remove this here and I'm going to do this on camera here. Our tip is going to be heat, 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 and more heat to get that pressed out. You're also going to need perhaps a four-wheel drive adapter for your ball joint set. What I'm going to use looks like this. It's kind of a half moon shape. To be able to get around this ear right here and this ear right here from underneath. And then just press it downward. And this pie plate will all go right through it. But we're going to use a blowtorch and we're going to heat, heat, heat.
After getting the ball joint press all configured on the ball joint, I'm going to use my torch here and preheat this before I attach my impact wrench. You got to be careful with that CV axle that might be in the way towards the rear of the vehicle, as I've got it over there. Let's go ahead and warm this up. The more heat, the better. Be careful if you've got any surface grease on top that may be flammable. You may see a flash fire or two. Just briefly, obviously if you're doing this, you want to make sure you get your safety glasses on, your fire extinguisher nearby, just to have some good solid safety practices. And so now I'm going to put the blowtorch down, attach the impact wrench, and then we'll get on with this. I'll put some background music on here, and I've got this sped up as I go here and I work the impact wrench, so but heat, patience, and the impact wrench, and you'll eventually get it out, as you'll see at the end. So just stay tuned. This is sped up a little bit from real time, and then it'll eventually press out through the bottom. So this is possible. It just requires some patience.